Hello everybody, I hope you are doing great. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a network for a document in ATLAS.ti. So let me open the project. Alright, this is our project and I have 11 documents in this project. I would like to create a network for document D4. So this time, rather than clicking on new entities and then selecting new network, I would like to right click on this document and then select open network. Alright, now you can see that I have a network and D4 document D4 has already been added to this network. Let me maximize this. Alright, I think the most important neighbors to be added to this network for this particular document should be the quotations within this document. So I just right click on this and then select add neighbors and then quotations. Now you can see that I have 4 quotations in this document. Now I would like to add the neighbors for these quotations, and I start by adding codes. So this time I would like to add all of the codes that have been assigned to these quotations. So I start with quotation 43. I right click on this quotation and then select add neighbors, and this time I select codes. Alright, now you can see that the code goal has been assigned to this quotation. It has also been assigned to quotation 4.1. Also, let me just deselect this option because I really don't want to show code document connections, these blue dotted lines. So I just deselect this option. Alright. Now let's focus on quotation 4.2. And here again you can see that there is one code innovation that has been assigned to quotation 4.2 and also quotation 4.1. Alright, how about quotation 4.4? Alright, here again you can see that I have 2 codes assigned to this quotation, and also one of them, which is teamwork, has also been assigned to quotation 4.1. And the last quotation is quotation 4.1. Alright, here also you can see that I have 2 more codes to be added to this network. So change is one of the codes that has been assigned to this quotation. The other one is success. Also note that success is has relationships with 2 other codes in this network. One of them is support and the other one is goal. So these are all the codes that have been assigned to these quotations. Also, the links between these codes are displayed by ATLAS.ti. Alright, let me also show the memos that are connected to these quotations. So to show the memos or to add the memos to this network, I just right click on any of these quotations, and this time I select memos. So there is no memo connected to this quotation. With respect to quotation 4.2, there is one memo, memo 2. Also note that memo 2 has been connected to quotation 4.1 as well. Alright, how about this? Okay, no memo. How about quotation 4.1? Alright. Again, no one. The only one is memo 2. It has already been added to this network. So far we have added all of the quotations within this document D4. We have also added all of the memos and the codes that have been assigned to these 4 quotations. Now I would like to add other quotations connected to these quotations in this document. So let me start with quotation 4.3. I would like to see whether we have any other quotations in other documents that have link with this quotation. So this time I select quotations. And now you can see that there is no other quotation in other documents being linked with this quotation. How about this? Alright, now you can see that there are let me just reposition these data entities, and then I click on this. Alright, now you can see that there are two quotations. One of them is quotation 3.1 that is in document 3, and the other one is quotation 5.2 that is in document 5. So these are the two quotations that have linkages with quotation 4.2. Alright, also note that this quotation 5.2, has already been coded with the code innovation. So automatically the link between the code innovation and quotation 5.2 is also displayed when you add these quotations to the network. How about this? Alright, no other quotations, and this one also no other quotations. Alright, so I also would like to add the the code groups for these codes to this network. So to do so, I just right click on any of these codes, and this time I select groups. So I'm going to add code groups to this network. And now here you can see that code goal and also code support are members of code group D. How about innovation? Alright, so innovation is a member of code group B. How about teamwork? Alright, teamwork and success, both of them are a member of code group are members of both code group C. And the last one is change, and also you can see that change is a member of code group A. Alright, so what we did in this example is that we added one document to the network, then we added the quotations within this particular document, then we added the codes that have been assigned to these quotations. We also added the memos that have been assigned to these quotations, and moreover, we added other quotations within other documents that have linkages with these quotations. And lastly, we added the code groups for all of the codes that we have in this network. So I think there is something very important related to this network that I would like, and I'm going to share this with you. If you remember in the previous videos, I told you that when you are linking quotations with each other, it means that you are analyzing the data. You are analyzing your data at data level, and when you are linking codes with each other, it means that you are analyzing your data at theoretical level. Now we have links between the quotations in this network, and we have also links between the codes in this network, and even we can add more links between the quotations and also between the codes. So I can tell you that the beauty of ATLAS.ti here, the beauty of network tool in ATLAS.ti in this example, is that it can integrate qualitative data analysis at data level and qualitative data analysis at theoretical level, and at the same time you can focus on both levels of qualitative data analysis when you are using networks. Thank you very much. In the next video I will create another network which focuses on visualizing the relationship between two code groups. Thank you very much.